Creating sparkly nails with rhinestones is quick and easy. Start by painting your nails with a base of gel polish, ensuring they are clean and dry before applying rhinestones. For added glamour, use a clear, glittery polish and allow your nails to completely cure. Apply a thick coat of gem gel to the areas where you want to place rhinestones. Then use a non-wipe top coat over the gel to avoid a tacky layer. Carefully place your rhinestones using tweezers or a wax-tipped pen, starting with larger stones and then filling in with smaller ones. Cure your nails under a lamp for about 90 seconds to secure the rhinestones. Remember, avoid brushing top coat over the stones to maintain their sparkle. You can also use quick-set nail glue as an alternative, applying it preciously where you want the rhinestones and sealing the edges with a top coat, being careful not to cover the gems. Enjoy your dazzling nails!